Welcome to Jeb Health, your guide to natural beauty and wellness. Today we will dive into the practical side of herbal skincare. Join us as unravel 5 astonishing herbs renowned for their ability to combat pimples, dark spots, and acne. Our first herb is Neem, often called nature's pharmacy. Neem's antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties make it a potent remedy for acne. Its natural compounds help cleanse the skin, reduce inflammation, and prevent further breakouts. Next up, we have Aloe Vera, known as the plant of immortality. Aloe Vera's gel contains enzymes, vitamins, and minerals that soothe irritated skin, reduce redness, and promote healing. Its moisturizing properties also help prevent acne scars. Moving on to ginger, a culinary delight with remarkable skincare benefits. Ginger's antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties help unclog pores, reduce acne-causing bacteria, and fade dark spots. Its warming effect boosts blood circulation, promoting a healthy glow. Now, let's explore turmeric, the golden spice of Ayurveda. Turmeric's active compound, curcumin, possesses potent anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, making it a potent remedy for acne and dark spots. Its brightening effect also evens out skin tone. Last but not least, we have holy basil, revered for its sacred healing properties. Holy basil's antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties help purify the skin, reduce acne inflammation, and promote a clear complexion. Its stress-relieving aroma adds a calming touch to your skincare routine. Have you tried holy basil or other herbs for your skin? Share your experiences in the comments below. Incorporating these 5 astonishing herbs into your skincare regimen can transform your complexion naturally. Whether in homemade masks, toners, or teas, the power of nature awaits you on your journey to clear, radiant skin. Thank you for joining us in exploring the power of herbal skincare. We hope you're inspired to try these natural remedies for yourself. Please share your experiences and results in the comments below. Let's help each other discover the beauty of nature's skincare solutions. Until next time, stay naturally radiant.